Hello everyone, I'm Raymond. I'm representing Mining Scout, and today I have the honor to have Brian here from Emergent Waste Solutions. Welcome to the conference. Welcome to the venue. You have a quite interesting story to tell because your company kind of has all sorts of ingredients which might have a positive impact on the future. And could you elaborate a little bit on who you are and what you're doing?
Okay, I'm Brian Gusko. I've worked in capital markets for 10 years. I've taken 10 companies public. The last company I took public went public with a $200 million market cap. I'm a director of Emergent Waste Solutions. I actually co-founded it with Kevin Hull, the CEO, 10 years ago. It's one of the few companies in the space at this stage that is in revenue, and it's in production with its first facility in British Columbia, Canada.
And can you focus a bit on your business model?
Our business model is we do not sell the plants. We actually do joint ventures on the plants, or we own the plants directly and use project financing. So there's always a recurring revenue stream. So once a plant is in operation, we'll have monthly revenue streams from the sale of renewable natural gas, bio-coal, biochar, or carbon black, depending upon feedstock.
And where and how do you find your projects?
We actually have people come to us who find us on the internet or hear about us through news releases, because there's very few companies using pyrolysis that are commercially successful and in production.
And your projects are where?
Our current project is in Hope, BC, on native Indian land. We work with the native Yale First Nations. Our next project we're looking to have in Ghana. We also have a pipeline of projects in Brazil, which would be producing syngas, the Philippines, which would be dealing with municipal solid waste, and several projects in Canada with wood waste.
So you have quite an international exposure. In regards to the management, that's quite crucial for companies like yours. Can you elaborate on that?
We've got a management team that's brought the first facility into production. I'm on the capital market side with having raised over $50 million. Kevin Hull is one of the leading experts right now in pyrolysis, having worked on the plant itself as well as being CEO. And we're going to build out with a new CFO and with new chief operating officers as well as business development people to build out the sales operations.
So you are going to plan to get or go public in the coming years, I guess?
We intend to sign an LOI with Shell within a couple of weeks, and we intend to go public in the first quarter of next year.
Very exciting. What kind of news flow can we expect for the coming months?
The coming months would be additional, long-term sales, offtake agreements, news on carbon credits. The project in Ghana, we're having a major international oil company looking at perhaps funding that project. From a time that a project starts getting LOIs to construction to commercialization to revenue, there's a whole series of news, and there's multiple projects around the world.
And what are your major challenges and your major opportunities you see in the company?
The major challenges until now have been capital constrained, but we are looking to go public, and we're looking to raise between $5 to $10 million as part of the RTO, reverse takeover round. So that is being addressed once we're public. And then lack of financial capital has been the thing in the past holding us back, but it will not be.
You're going to invest the money for new projects or for existing projects?
To build out our staff, continue some of the research we've done at UBC, which has shown that our biochar can be used as a replacement for graphene in certain applications, and to initiate the next project, which would be in Ghana.
And is there one project you want to focus on?
Ghana is basically shovel ready, And we have 2 or 3 additional projects in British Columbia, Canada with wood waste.
Okay. Thank you very much. All the best for the future. We are looking very much forward to see you on the stock market. And see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.